Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you the best deals going on over at CVS for the week. I'll walk you through each deal individually. I'm also going to tell you how I put the deals together because I had an email coupon for $6 off a $30 purchase. So I'll tell you how I made that work as well. I also found one more deal after I left the store that I'll tell you about. At the very end of the video, I'll show you pictures of items that I found on clearance. I noticed a lot of markdowns in the cosmetic section. There were markdowns throughout the store, but lots in the cosmetic section specifically. So all of those pictures will be at the end of the video. Okay, let's jump straight into the deals. As you can see, I tried to do some grocery deals as well. I know people like to see different ways they can get groceries using their extra care box, because that money, if you're paying with your extra care box, that's probably not coming out of your monthly budget that you've created for yourself as far as your grocery bill goes. So I try to show at least a few grocery deals each week. Okay, let's talk about the cereal deal first. The cereal's $1.99 on sale this week. You want to buy 2 boxes because I had a digital coupon for $1 off 2 that came off at the register. Now, I've heard some people have 2 $1 off 2 coupons and they're both coming off. I only had one of them, so $1 came off. I paid $2.98. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, where I got $1 back for purchasing 2, making my final cost $1.99 or $1.98 or just 99 cents each. Now, make sure you scan the product into your Ibotta app to make sure the item that you're buying qualifies for the Ibotta rebate. But that's a really easy deal and a great price on cereal. I also submitted my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because I had some General Mills offers in there, including one like spend 10, get 3, I believe, but I know it was like a spend 10 deal and it's like tracking towards that $10. Another super simple deal, and this is just a better price than what my grocery store has right now. The Pringles are 3 for $5. So if you need Pringles for the week, they might be cheapest over at CVS. Another grocery deal I want to mention is on these Chips Ahoy cookies. Now, these are $4.39 each. When you buy 2 of them, you're going to get $2 in extra care box back. Not the best deal, but again, it's cheaper than what my grocery store is currently selling it at. So $8.78 when you purchase 2, but you're going to get $2 in extra care box back, making your final cost $6.78. or just $3.39 each. I believe at my grocery store, they were like 2 for $7 for that same family size package. Now, if your store carries the Chips Ahoy Hershey's variety, get those instead because there's $1 rebate on Ibotta for those, but my store didn't have them. I don't know if other stores do, but I wanted to at least let you know there is an Ibotta rebate for that kind. Now, super simple deal anyone can do at CVS this week. It's on the Suave Men body washes. You want to purchase 2 of them. Now, they're not a sale price, so your store price may be a little bit different than mine. My store tends to be priced a little bit higher. So mine was $2.39 for one. That means $1.19 for the other because they're buy one, get one half off. But they're also buy 2, get $4 in extra care box. So one at $2.39, one at $1.19, pay $3.58. I got $4 back in extra care box, making my final cost completely free and a 42-cent moneymaker. Another freebie, again, anyone can do this week, the Hallmark cards. They're buy 3, get $3 in extra care box back. I picked up 3 of the 99-cent cards at $2.98 total. I did get $3 in extra care box back, making my final cost completely free. Now, I don't think technically it's supposed to count on the 99-cent cards, but it did last week and it did again this week for me, so just a heads up on that. These were the cards. So if you're looking for what they look like, there were a couple of Thanksgiving ones. There were a couple of Christmas ones that were 99 cents at my store. Now, the makeup kits. There's a number of different makeup kits this week that have extra CareBuck promotions. This was the best deal for me. This was $5.99. I had a $3 cosmetic coupon that applied to this. So I paid $2.99. I got back $2 in extra CareBucks, making it just 99 cents. Now, when I say I have a coupon that attaches, if you're wondering what that means, I will take the CVS app and I use the little scanner function to scan a product, and that will pull up all of the coupons that are in my CVS app that attach to that product, and then I just make sure I have those coupons clipped so that they apply at checkout. All right, what else? Okay, so this is the deal that I did not do. So did y'all hear me? I have not done this at CVS because I did the Oral-B deal over at Walgreens. So my Ibotta offer is gone. But when I was writing all of this up, I was like, you know what? I bet I could do an Oral-B deal over at CVS this week. So let me tell you how it would work. I would want to buy 5 of these at $3.99. That is $19.95. Okay, I want to buy 5 of them because I have a $3 off an $18 Crest Oral-B CRT. Okay, so I have to get to at least $18, which forces me to buy 5 of them. I had a $5 off 3 digital coupon as well as a $1 digital coupon. Since I'm buying 5, the 5 off 3 is going to attach to 3 of them. The $1 digital is going to attach to 1 of them. Technically, I could have used a paper coupon like from the Procter & Gamble insert. I didn't. I would just do digital coupons if it were me. Just that's how I like to do it. So if I did it that way, I'd pay $10.95. I'd get back $6 in extra CareBucks as well as $5 on Ibotta, making all of those completely free. So I may stop by the store later in the week and try to do that. I need to look and see when the coupons expire, but that is a way you could do that Oral-B deal. Now, if you don't have the 3 off 18, you could just buy 4 of them. So 4 times 4, you're going to pay just short of $16. You would use the 5 off 3, the 1 off 1, and then you would get back $6 in extra CareBucks and $4 on Ibotta. Again, your final cost is going to be free. Now, this is one that might be more difficult to replicate if you don't get the Unilever coupons. I get Unilever coupons in my email because I'm signed up on their website, and I had printed 2 $1.50 printable coupons that came in handy for this hand wash deal. So these are buy 1, get 1 half off, as well as buy 2, get $4 in extra CareBucks. Again, my store's a little bit more expensive. $4.69 for one, $2.39 or $2.34 for the other. I used those $1.50 coupons, so I had $3 in coupons. I paid $4.03. I got $4 in extra CareBucks back, making it 3 cents total for both of them. Now, I am signed up to get CVS text coupons as well as email coupons. You can sign up for that within the app if you are not already. And I got a $6 off a $30 purchase email. So let me tell you how I put my deal together to use that coupon. I picked up the cereal. I got the cookies, the Hallmark cards, the eyeliner gift kit here, the 3 Pringles, and the Suave body washes. All of that together was just over $30. After my coupons came off, including that 6 off 30, I paid $20.30 at the register, and I used extra CareBucks to pay. I got back the $4 for the Suave, the $1 on Ibotta for the cereal, the $2 for the makeup, the $2 for the cookies, the $3 for the Hallmark, leaving my final cost $8.30 for all 13 of those items. So not a bad price for all of that, including so many different grocery deals. Now, I said I use extra CareBucks to pay. I feel like their system's a little bit easier than Walgreens. Y'all know I love Walgreens. I got my video posted earlier, so if you haven't checked that out, definitely check out the Walgreens deals going on this week. But I do use the CVS Carepass. I held off for a while, probably way too long because I thought there was some kind of catch and it wasn't worth it or I was going to get charged. Anyway, I wish I hadn't held off so long because you can pay $5 a month and you get $10 in extra care bucks every single month that you can use on almost anything in the store. I paid for the whole year in advance, so I actually only paid $4 per month because I paid $48 total, and then I still get $10 every single month from CVS in my extra care bucks to spend on anything in the store. So if you don't have it yet, I do have a link below with a coupon code where you can try it out at a reduced cost. I love it. It works great for me. If you think you're going to use it, you have a CVS that you visit regularly, I definitely recommend the CarePass. Now, if you guys are finding other deals over at CVS that are awesome, please share them down in the comment section below. Otherwise, check out the clearance items at the end of the video and have a great week. Thanks.